Ever wondered why chopping onions turns you into a teary mess in the kitchen? Well, get ready, because we're about to dive into the fascinating science behind your kitchen tears. The truth is, onions aren't trying to make you cry, they're actually defending themselves. When you cut into an onion, you're triggering its chemical defense system that evolved to protect it from hungry creatures underground. Inside every onion cell, there are special compounds containing sulfur. When you slice through these cells, you break them open, releasing enzymes that create a chain reaction. These enzymes mix with the sulfur compounds to create a gas called syn-propanethial S-oxide. This gas floats up from your cutting board, and when it reaches your eyes, it combines with the water in your tears to form a mild sulfuric acid. Ouch! Your eyes detect this irritant, and your brain immediately commands your tear glands to wash it away. That's why you start crying. But here's the really cool part. This whole process happens in just a fraction of a second. From the moment your knife hits the onion to your first tear, it's all an automated defense response that's been perfected over millions of years. Want to know how to stop the tears? Here are some science-backed solutions. First, try chilling your onion in the fridge for about 30 minutes before cutting. The cold temperature slows down the chemical reaction that creates the irritating gas. You can also cut your onions under running water or near a fan. This helps disperse the gas before it reaches your eyes. Some people swear by wearing goggles, but that might look a bit silly in the kitchen. Here's another fun fact. While different onion varieties contain varying amounts of these sulfur compounds, red onions typically make you cry less than yellow or white ones. And if you've ever noticed that professional chefs don't seem to cry while chopping onions, it's because with practice, they've learned to cut quickly and efficiently, minimizing their exposure to the tear-causing compounds. Next time you're cooking with onions, remember, you're not just preparing food, you're witnessing an amazing piece of natural chemistry in action. These everyday vegetables have evolved one of the most effective chemical defense systems in your kitchen. So the next time your eyes start watering while preparing dinner, you can appreciate the sophisticated chemical warfare happening right on your cutting board. Pretty amazing how a simple onion can teach us so much about chemistry, biology, and evolution, right? Keep cooking and stay curious.